I want to share with you this awesome idea my boyfriend had to build a portable work table, workbench, saw table, I don't know what you call it. But it is awesome. And it's sitting on some awesome sawhorses. There's a side view. And it's, I love these sawhorses. They're Stanley Fat Max. And you can see it's just plywood hooked to 2x4s. And they fit in the little grooves that's on the Fat Max. And that's it. And I got the chop saw on it. And it's got holes. Let's see if I can show you. Well, anyway, maybe you can see my hand move. And there's another hole. And they all line up with the holes on all four sides of this. And then the other holes, they're drilled to match the router table and table saw and maybe something else. I can't remember. And this is how it's attached. Just run this in the hole and go in from underneath and attach it. Turn this till it tightens up and it's secured on there. And then you're ready to start working. Is that awesome or what? Anyway, I figured I'd share that with you. And one thing I noticed when I was using it, if it was wider, of course it'd be heavier. You wouldn't have to worry so much about your boards falling. Of course, you might could rig something up to catch your boards, or have it, I don't know, I guess you wouldn't want it further to one side, but anyway, just wanted to share that in case you want to build one where you can work outside efficiently. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.